Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another pocket-sized adventure. Just in case you're new, my name is Charlie and on this channel I normally create longer, more immersive travel films. I'm actually in the middle at the moment of my next film, which is going to be in Morocco. But it's not ready yet. So in the interest of trying to keep a bit of consistency, I'm doing this series, which is a behind the scenes and showing you some little story time and some other little bits and bobs, basically. This week's episode is actually following on from last week. Jurassic Park! My adventures in Singapore a couple of years ago with my boyfriend Tom. We actually got to stay at the Marina Bay Sands hotel. So let's jump straight in and head to Singapore. Okay, so for Tom's birthday, I've treated him to a swanky hotel. We have checked in to the Marina Bay Sands hotel. When we were checking in on reception, I was like, it's his 30th birthday! Can we just get, like, the highest room we possibly can? Look at this! Here's the view! Boom! Oh my god, look at this room! What do you think to the room, Tom?
It's alright, it'll do.
It'll do.
I mean, it's not a tent down by the Murray, but it's alright.
Look at the size of this room. I don't even know what. I mean, this is ridiculous. I'm so excited. But this is the best bit. I mean, like we've actually got a hallway, but look at the bathroom.
There's a phone by the toilet. You ring and they go, hello.
Hello, and you get.
I'm calling from the toilet.
I'm calling from the toilet.
Bring me Gatorade.
Look at this place. Look at this serious bathtub, and there's a separate shower, like, hallway here. I've never been in a hotel like this before. Look at this. Oh my word, there's a seat in the shower. I mean, I think we got seriously upgraded, Tom, because I did not pay for this room.
Right.
This is like a movie minibar. Look at that! Yeah! Oh my god, that's amazing! I'm so happy! No more hostels! Let's get out on the balcony. There are no words to explain how amazing this is and how excited I am. You know what though, the best bit is still to come, because you know what this hotel has, right? Infinity pool on the roof! Okay, I'm just going to quickly jump in here to say that if you are not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I randomly checked my channel statistics the other day and I saw that so many people that watch my channel are not actually subscribed. So if you are one of those people, please hit the button right now. Anyway, back to Singapore. Look at this! Singapore Sling on his 30th birthday.
Huh. Plenty of alcohol in it.
You bloody hope so for 22 bucks. That's pretty good Singapore Sling. Cheers. Oh wow. Woo, it's sunny. This cocktail's pretty strong. I mean, I think they put like half a gin bottle in here. This is pretty epic. I mean, I use the word epic a lot, but this. Hell yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what it's like inside one of the rooms at the Marina Bay Sands and seeing that awesome infinity pool. Oh my goodness me. I just want to go back there again. Tom promised me that we would go back someday. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please hit subscribe and please hit that like button. It really, really helps me out. And next week, I'm hopefully going to be doing a few editing tips for you, some editing secrets and editing things that I use to create my longer series. So I will see you next week. It's got a bit stormy up here.